Thank you to every single one of you that trusted apeswap this first and historic year for crypto and apeswap. Thank you for staking your bananas and G-nunas in apeswap pools. Thank you for providing liquidity to the DEX through farms. And thank you for the ones that believe in apeswap long-term, the loyal G-nuna holders. Thank you to NFA and NFB holders and to IAO enthusiasts. Thank you to all the partners that helped to burn bananas. Thank you to all the admins for being online every single day helping the whole community. And thank you for being here, for being part of this huge family that apeswap is. You are the most important part of this family. You are the ones that make this possible, so thank you for everything. In just 1 year, apeswap was able to get 250,000 followers on Twitter and more than 50,000 Telegram members in the general group, which is incredible. They managed to burn more than 21 million bananas, which is 18.4% of all banana circulation, and offer right now more than 100 farms across BSC and Polygon, averaging an APR of 150.48%. Also, they were the most profitable DApp by market cap in all of crypto last quarter, and are revolutionizing DeFi with their new DeFi 2.0 focus, which will help in their goal of making banana deflationary. One of the concepts that has successfully been implemented already is the lending platform, which already has almost $40 million locked. Here, 90% of total fees are used to buy back bananas and 10% for apeswap treasury. Of the buyback amount, 55% is locked in the apeswap lending network forever. The largest barrier to entry for DeFi participants is knowledge, so, in order to make DeFi more accessible to all, apeswap even launched an education platform that helps everyone to learn more about the whole space. Apart from all of this, I think that the whole team deserves recognition for the outstanding work they have made this year, both the founders and all the organization. Thank you for your tremendous effort. We know how hard it might be sometimes to carry such an amazing project forward, so we, the whole apeswap community, are grateful for having you. Apeswap couldn't have become what it is today without the community, but neither without the whole organization behind. Apeswap has also achieved other incredible goals, and we know one thing for sure. This is just starting, so, fasten your seatbelts, because year 2 is going to be insane.